Okay, it's January 4, year 2009. We are here in a CTIP compound along Ortigas. There's Raymond and Tristan. We just finished flying an ugly stick styrofoam plane there. Okay, Tristan going to show us his new toy. Okay,
right.
New toy. He just came from China.
Okay.
Just arrived yesterday. So we have a new toy. Wow. And it's exactly fit on his CRV. There, show us. Wow. Huge toy! Galing!
Kasama yung muffler? Hindi, option. Pili ka na.
With modified rear muffler, oh. Rear muffler.
Hindi ito, yung para hindi tumama yung ano.
Okay, I'll make you a pan view. There. Yeah, slowly. So, una, labas muna. Then later, we'll show him what's inside this new huge car. Ganda ng muffler, oh, tune pipe. Ale, let's open it.
Pwede sa Predator to
There.
30cc to.
Bagay na bagay sa ano, sa Predator, no?
Uy, talak.
Bagay na bagay dito.
This engine is bigger, even bigger than the Predator.
Yeah, it's using a 30cc engine. Oh look, oh, it's a 30cc. Wow. Our Predator is only 26, di ba? 26 na, it's 30cc, a real gas engine, large cylinder. Hey guys, huge servo! There, laking servo,
22
GWS, oh.
22 kilogram servo. Each.
22 kilogram centimeter servo, imagine.
Kilogram.
22 kilogram, and our 301 is only 3 kilogram. Tignan mo. 4-wheel drive.
4-wheel drive.
Ganda ng shock, oh.
Adjustable pa.
Adjustable shock. Oh. Fuel tank, dalawa. Isa lang. Yan, isa lang.
And everything's waterproof, so you can see the receiver, It has
This receiver, okay. So we cannot run it yet because we don't have the receiver battery yet.
4-wheel drive, Disc brake, pare. Yeah. 4-wheel drive.
Galing, oh.
It's also disc brake on 4.
One thing I like is the muffler, the tune pipe muffler. Oh, galing, no? So it won't mess your engine.
Nahan po yung disc brake. Ito, center yan.
Center brake. May differential, may center kaya differential.
Meron.
So
Center disc.
there's a disc brake.
Center brake ba yan? Center brake. Kasi yung shake nandito, yung cable, may cable.
Yeah, that's the disc brake.
Disc talaga.
Disc brake.
Siya yung ganun din, kaya lang nasa center kasi 4-wheel eh.
4-wheel, no. Pwede na.
Okay, buhatin mo, tingnan natin sa ilalim. Kaya ng tao?
Kaya.
Wow! Carbon fiber?
Carbon fiber.
Oh, hindi. I thought it's a carbon fiber. It looks carbon fiber, but when you see it closely, it's simulated. It's painted.
Painted lang ba yan?
Painted lang. It's not a carbon fiber.
Pati sa gilid.
But it's very
Pati sa gilid, Carbon to, pare.
Carbon ba?
Tingnan mo yung gilid.
Hindi, painted sa gilid eh.
Hindi, carbon yan.
Carbon ba?
Paano natin bigat eh.
Carbon. It's carbon.
Hindi, no. I guess it's a metal. Metal siya, hindi siya carbon. Hindi, mabigat eh. You just touch it. Malamig eh. It's made of metal, painted carbon color.
Siguro.
It's a metal. Diba, dito, hindi naman ganun ang drain eh, no? Yan, no? It's a metal and painted with a carbon color. Yan. Pero ang ganda, oh. Buti binili mo to. Kasi yung ordinary muffler, the smoke will go from the inside eh, yung stock muffler.
Dito lang lalabas eh. Parang there's a small muffler.
It's the same sa
Tapos
mga
may,
gasser.
and there's a rubber.
Rubber lang,
Ano lang.
So ito, tama to. Ganda to. Ganda nito. Okay guys, maybe next week pa. Darating pa yung battery. We need a lot of work here because we need to do some modification on the receiver battery.
Yung box mo, hindi ka kasya yung battery.
Look at the drivetrain, oh. Gearbox, oh. Gearbox. Oh, that's the gearbox. Ganda, no? Kitang-kita.
Pwede patayo.
There's a gearbox.
Di ba?
Metal gear.
Mga subsea, di ba?
Subsea, yeah. Ayan. You know that these batteries came with a AA battery, no? AA.
Tapos basahin mo ng ano to, oil.
Oo.
Yeah.
Tapos yung side niya, talagang for talagang
Dapat,
proofing, no?
Pintura mo, pwede to.
Ganun.
Okay guys, next week, maybe you'll be ready for test flight. Next week.
Test flight.
Test run, pare.
Test run pala, test run, not test flight. King Kong! King Kong!
King Kong RC.
But one thing I hate about this new toy using a very cheap 27 megahertz controller.
That's,
27.
by the way, a Futaba,
Although it's made by Futaba, but it's 27. There, let me show you. It's really made of 27 megahertz. Okay.
So what we plan to do is just buy a fail-safe.
Yeah, better put a fail safe. Or if you can convert to 2.4, that would be better. Okay guys, so that's the controller. And that's our car.
Sige,
Bye!